For number 8, we have a race. The distance in feet of a race car from the starting line. So that's what D is going to be. We're given that down here. Let T be the number of seconds since the race began, and our distance from the starting line is given to us by this function. What is the meaning of F7 minus F3? Well, we could figure it out, but what it's saying is F7 is the distance from the starting line, 7 seconds after the start of the race. F3 is the distance from the starting line, 3 seconds after the start of the race. So if we take F7 minus F3, what we're getting is the distance the car traveled from 3 seconds after the race started to 7 seconds. So this is going to give us distance between 3 seconds and 7 seconds. Okay, because the function output values are distance. Compute the race car's average speed over the interval T3 to T7. So now we actually have to make this calculation, right? So we plug in 7 to the function. Here's a quick way we can do this. Now, you can plug in the values for the T, but also using the graphing calculator, we can enter this as a function. And what is that? 3t squared plus 3t. And we use the variable key here, x squared plus 3x plus 3x. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at the table. So second table, that's what comes up here. And I need to find out when, come down here when t is 3. So now's the time to actually find f of 3 is 36 and f of 7 is 168. So we could think of these as points if you want. 3, 36, 7, 168. And we want to find the average speed. So average speed is going to be in feet per second, right? Our points, our x coordinate is seconds. The y coordinate is distance. Do they tell us? Distance in feet, yeah, they do tell us it's feet. So this is time. These are seconds here. These are feet. And we want feet per second. That's what speed's gonna, average speed. So average speed is just find the average, the slope. So we can just subtract these 2 points, right? You could use the slope formula again. x2 minus x1. What I like to do is just take the points, line them up. 3 minus 7 is going to be negative 4, subtracting. 36 minus 168, that's going to be negative, let's see, 6 from 8 is 2, 3 from 6 is 3, and then there's still 100 left. So we take the x, put it underneath the y. So 132 divided by 4, negative, negative, that's going to be positive. let's see, I think 4 might go into 132 evenly. So take 132 divided by 4. It's going to be 33. So our speed is going to be 33 feet per second. Now it's not a constant speed, it's just the speed on this interval, the average speed. I think if you graph this, you'll see it's actually getting faster as we go. But anyway, that's how we can get the average rate of change.